Hey y'all, welcome to another grocery haul. This week I did not need as much, so I will start out with the meat market. We got a package of ground chuck, and then we got 3 packages of extra lean ground beef. That was from the meat market. From Walmart, excuse me, the non-food items are, got the Axe body wash for my son, and then I found out that I'm anemic, so I need to start taking iron, and I actually got a 2-pack. One of them is already in my purse. And then I take Alka-Seltzer sometime. We got a gallon of milk, some romaine lettuce, some Roma tomatoes, some bananas, a loaf of bread, and then I got some sweet relish because I noticed the sweet relish that we had, I don't know, I'm thinking it's out of date. I can't even read the date on it, so I wanted to get fresh. We're gonna have probably spaghetti one night, and I always like this New York Bakery and Texas toast. And this is something new we have not tried. My kids like the Jimmy Dean sausage on a stick, but they can be kind of pricey, so I thought I would try this one and see if they liked it. And then we got sugar. And then this is something I got for the kids because they love candy canes. So I got Nerds candy canes. And these sounded good to me. They're holiday spice Christmas tree cakes, the Little Debbie's. And then for my husband, I got him these Nutty Buddy bars. And y'all, if you like pretzels, these are only like 82 cents at our Walmart. They're salty pretzel sticks. They are so good. So we all like snacking on those. And we're gonna have a taco night, and I saw the old El Paso nacho cheese taco shells, and my husband always gets the nacho cheese shells from Taco Bell, so I thought we would try those. And then we got some traditional refried beans, and my youngest, he likes Kool-Aid, so we got some strawberry kiwi, we got shackleberry, or no, not sharkleberry fin, and raspberry lemonade. Also, this came from Hobby Lobby. It was normally, let me find the tag for y'all. It was normally $13.99. And I got it, I'm getting my receipt so I can be for sure. I got it for $2.80, so it cost me $3.03. And this actually, I think, it's supposed to be part of the fall decorations, but I think it would go year round. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet with it. I'm thinking for Christmas I might put some flowers in it, set it on our table. I don't know, but I thought that was such a good deal. So if your Hobby Lobby still has fall items, most of them are 80% off, but I will say like all of the cups, the plates, things like that are only 50%. They haven't went down. But anyways, I will put the total, I cannot remember how much I spent, so I will put the total here on the screen. I'm trying to poke here on the screen for y'all. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see y'all again on Friday for a What's for Dinner. And maybe I'll have another bonus video during the week.